Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace rear speakers in a Toyota Camry. Start by gathering tools: panel tool, Phillips screwdriver, replacement speakers, gloves, and a flashlight. Inspect the door for hidden screws and trim clips before you begin. Work on one side at a time and keep all fasteners organized. Safety first. Wear gloves and avoid metal contact with electrical connectors to prevent shorts and damage. Begin by lowering the window and locating all screws in the armrest, handle, and lower trim. Remove each screw and set them in a labeled container so nothing is lost. Use a panel tool to gently pry at the seam, working around the perimeter to release clips without breaking them. Once clips are free, lift the panel up and away to expose the speaker and wiring harness for access. Quick recommendation: if you like hands-free sound while working on cars, try the Echo Dot smart speaker for crisp audio and voice control in your garage. It's compact, sounds better than you'd expect, and makes following video steps easier while your hands are busy. If you want one, check the description for the link and other deals, and if you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like. Now let's get back to the video. Disconnect the speaker harness by pressing the tab and pulling straight out to avoid bending pins. Unscrew the old speaker and note wire placement and polarity markings for correct reconnection. Attach the new speaker, aligning the mounting holes, and hand-tighten screws evenly to prevent distortion. Reconnect the harness, then test the speaker at low volume to confirm proper sound and polarity before reinstalling the door panel and securing all screws and trim.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.